is our family home for the Parekh family, which we have built in Belgaon Dhaga, in the outskirts of Nasik on Trimbak Road. We live on a farm, and the idea when we decided to live on the farm was to live completely as part of the environment we are in, to be very much in this indoor-outdoor kind of a mood, which is a beautiful advantage of living in an open space like a farm in a nice city like Nasik. So the house completely reflects this whole idea of living very much close to the environment. One of the main things that my husband is not an architect, but as a client, we planned on doing was to live in a house which was very true to its materials used, true to the form that we derived. So the materials that you will see are open brick face. It has an RCC column and beam and slab structure. But the walls are all open face bricks. We haven't plastered or painted the structure. The floor is very simple IPS cement ghotai. The windows are large. They completely reflect the surrounding wilderness and environment. And one of the special features that we have introduced in our house, which we totally love, is an open courtyard, which is completely open to sky. There's no glass or skylight covering it, and that really helps us in relating to the environment, in the sense the rain comes in, but we have a drain to take away excess water. We have birds and bees and bugs coming in. Occasionally a squirrel falls off the roof, but it's all part of the fun of living the way we have chosen to live. Some details in terms of construction are, because we had decided to not plaster it, all the electricals, which are generally done at a later stage of construction, are included in the brickwork. So the wiring is completely concealed, and we have conduit pipe running through the 9-inch brickwork, which goes through the brickwork, and it's all planned for. Each point was planned for before we actually started construction. We decided to build these brick pillars, or brick piers as they're called, and so they're not too wide such that we don't need glass or grill in it, but they allow for very nice ventilation and a lovely play of light throughout the day and night, in fact. So we have that in our bedrooms, in our dining room. We have a lot of cross ventilation through the house because of the way the openings have been placed. There's to counter the southwest monsoon, what we did was have a 9.5 feet cantilevered RCC slab on the west side, and this protects us from the southwest monsoon wind, as well as prevents the rain from coming into the house from our front, west and south facade. In many ways, the house is a reflection of the way we are and the way we want to live our lives. So our choices are such that our lives are very simple. The house is a reflection of that. They are luxurious in the setting in terms of the wilderness around us, but our approach to life in general is so simple that the house is also like that. Again, in the bathrooms, we wanted to have a lot of natural light and fresh air again, rather than have them as stuffy tiled bathrooms. So the flooring is again simple Shahabad floor, which is no matter what you do, you can't slip on it. And the bathrooms have very large glass skylights, which let in a lot of fresh light and air as well. These are very simple kind of details which make for magical living, make for a simple experience, and turn it into a special experience. A lot of our furniture is also recycled. We've used a lot of wood which came out of renovation from other homes which people were wanting to discard, and which I picked up in my various projects. So the doors are like that. They come out of a 300 or 200-year-old house in Pune. Lovely teakwood doors which we got even before we built our house, but then an artist friend of mine came and painted it and completely made it personalized and contemporarized it. So a lot of our other furniture is made out of recycled wood, which has been used to create simple louvers, which again keeps all the wardrobes constantly well ventilated and they never smell musty. Uh, the dining table is also made out of old recycled wood, so a lot of nice, good quality old teak wood has been reused. We don't have curtains in the house, but instead we've used bamboo chicks, which again gives lovely light throughout the day, and it also doesn't stop the wind from flowing through your house. The palette of materials is really simple. It's very earthy, very organic. In this kind of a natural feel, we've tried to bring in a little domesticity and organized space within our homes, but not extremely manicured. So we didn't want it to be a very stark contrast to where we are, but rather to merge in this area that we are.